I don't know if you need this on your design, but I do. And if you do too, just keep watching. You're going to learn for today on how you can add a shadow on your images in just one click. Plus, I'm going to show you the different shadow styles that Canva have.
For example, we want to create an Instagram post and we want the image on that design to stand out by using those shadow styles. Still, many people didn't know that these effects, these hacks are available inside this Canva application. Click this image and go right here on the effects. And scroll down. As you can see, there is a shadow portion, and click this see all in order for you to see all the shadow effects that you can use on your design. There is a glow, drop, angle, curve, page lift, and backdrop. And for this image, I want to use the drop effect, and for us to customize that drop shadow effect, let us click this little settings right here on the middle, and we can tweak it according to the preference we want to our shadow to look like. Yeah, you can just play along with those numbers. You have now a shadow effect on your image. And just like the tutorial that I made recently, the last video that I uploaded about the white outline, you cannot edit the shadow itself after you click the apply button. That is why I always make sure to finalize my shadow preference before I click that apply button. Let us try another one. I want to use another shadow effect for this flower. Let us try the glow shadow effect. Basically, it will add a shadow all over the images. And we can customize that according to what we like. I want it to be like the blue glow. I want it to be really visible, so I will increase the opacity or the transparency, and I want it to pop up a little more, so I will add size on it, and I will adjust this blurry so it will like a glowing effect on this one. There. And I'm very sure that I want this, so I will click the apply button. Yeah, there you go. It's very easy, right? And if this video or if this tutorial is very helpful, or if you didn't know this effect just until today, can you comment down your thoughts, your comments about this? I want to really know what you think about this tutorial.
By the way, we can only add shadows on our images. And if we want to add shadows for shapes or other elements like stickers, I'm afraid that's not possible. You don't really need to be an expert for you to make your design stand out, to make your design beautiful, because all you need is these hacks that you don't probably know until today. These simple Canva hacks and tips will bring great impact on your design even if you're just a total beginner. May you be a content creator or a business owner or a freelancer like me. Now, as this channel is all about designing, this channel is also about freelancing. So, I'm very happy to say that our next video will be about the 5 brutal truths about being a freelancer that you don't want to hear. I bet you should really want to see this. If you like today's video, make sure to hit that notification bell so you will be notified on our next Canva tips and hacks. I have some amazing videos right here that I think that will benefit you. You may want to check that out. I hope you guys have a great day, a great week, and a great life. See you again on our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!